This video is on passive and active reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is the first and the most important step in any attack. You must ensure you are attacking the right target and ensure whatever tools you're using are appropriate. There's passive and active recon. Passive is where a hacker gains information about a target without directly interacting with it, like searching on the internet for target's information. This is called open source intelligence. Open source intelligence is available for public. Then we have active reconnaissance. It gains information by interacting with the target, like going to the company directly or calling them, or even doing Nmap to gather the network data. Active reconnaissance leads to footprinting. Footprinting is a technique used to gather as much data as possible about a specific targeted computer system and infrastructure and networks to identify opportunities to penetrate them. It helps the attacker identify vulnerabilities and draw a network map to clearly paint the attack area. War flying and war driving is also an active recon. War driving involves attackers searching for a wireless networks with vulnerabilities while driving around an area in a moving vehicle. War flying is the same thing but using things like drones. Kismet is a popular sniffer. This is used as a war driving tool. It operates using Bluetooth interfaces, Wi-Fi interfaces, some software-defined radios, and a USB dongle hardware.